In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay for your business. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process through a computer or your phone by using the web browser and heading over to the Afterpay website, or you can just use the app. Regardless of which option you choose, the process is roughly the same. I'm going to show you how to do this on a web browser on your computer, and all you have to do is go to the Afterpay website. Inside the website, select Business at the top next to the logo, and you will be immediately redirected to the business page. As you can see here, this is how Afterpay works for you. They're going to give you a rundown on how Afterpay works and how to set it up for your specific business. If you want to, go ahead and read through all of this, but if you just want to apply Afterpay for your business, on the top of the page, simply select the Get Started button. As you can see, Afterpay is going to ask you for details regarding your business, and in this process you have to include a lot of personal information. So I'm not going to show you how to do this, but after you fill out all this information about your store and about who you are, you will be able to immediately join Afterpay and add Afterpay system to your store. Your store will then be visible from Afterpay through the website or the app, and customers will be able to use Afterpay if they wish to do so. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay for your business. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.